shape-shifting sink. If you're after a statement piece to complete your bathroom, look no further than the self-proclaimed world's coolest sink, designed by Osman Can Ozcanli. At first glance, this shiny black surface isn't the sink at all, but with a touch of a button, the entire thing shapeshifts to create an ergonomic wash basin. When you're finished, the sink seamlessly disappears again, and an automatic wiper emerges to get rid of the excess moisture. The flexible carbon fiber sheet is bent in and out of shape by a hidden mechanism, which gives the impression that the surface is moving by itself. It's unlike something like this will crop up in ordinary homes anytime soon, but it's certainly a tempting glimpse into the future of interior design. Bloomframe. The architectural features of some residential buildings don't allow residents to spend their free time on the balcony, because there are no balconies. In the past, the only way out of this situation was to find another apartment. Today, thanks to technological advances, there is a second option: replacing a normal window with the Bloomframe system. This is an invention of the Dutch studio Hofman de Chardin. Bloomframe is a convertible window. By pressing a button, the frame with the glass is set in motion, and in 55 seconds, the window becomes a cute little balcony. Despite the apparent fragility of the construction, the special reinforced glass can support up to 350 kilograms of weight that is 2 or 3 people. If you wish the transparent floor can be replaced by a massive one. So far, this technology has been implemented in a few residential buildings in Amsterdam, New York, Paris, and Beijing. However, we hope that soon anyone who wants can install this kind of window. Tiny living apartment. This tiny living apartment has been perfectly designed to maximize space in every nook and cranny. And a once cramped loft area has now been transformed into a spacious bedroom. Possibly the most ingenious part, though, is a safety net that cleverly separates the sleeping and office areas, while doubling up as a comfy chill-out zone. This loft space safety net concept has been implemented in many modern interiors, and you can't deny that this is one seriously envious design solution. Wessex Home lifts. Although this invention was originally developed for the elderly and people with disabilities, absolutely anyone can benefit from it. The lifts from the British company Wessex are nothing like the cumbersome and complex structures that can be found in any high-res residential building. This is a compact, lightweight, and easy-to-install lift that can be placed in even the living room. The cabin goes down and rises up to 3.5 meters in the air, which is enough to move from one floor to another. It's spacious enough to accommodate several people, or a wheelchair inside as well. It only takes a day or two at most to install lifts like this. The manufacturer offers several models and a variety of designs, so that a lift fits harmoniously into the interior. Roll mirror. One of the marks of a successful designer is the ability to inject new uses into everyday items. And the roll mirror, created by San Francisco-based designer Justin Godard, is not just another mirror worth checking yourself out in before leaving the house. With one easy push, the circular mirror can be rolled onto one side to reveal a simple storage solution, like a host of brass pegs for hanging keys or jewelry. The mirror has been created in different finishes and can also contain shelves, which would be a great place to stash your prized possessions from prying hands. But you're looking at a hefty price tag of $4,000 for one of these made-to-order pieces. Mini elevator. The device you see on the screen is a simpler and more convenient alternative to the usual ramps for people with disabilities. If a person can only move around in a wheelchair, even with a ramp going up or down can be difficult or even dangerous. British company Sesame Access offers a special elevator. The construction is mounted directly into the stairs. If it's not being used, it doesn't stand out. When someone needs to use the elevator, the steps fold to form a flat platform able to move up and down. This is just one of many options. The other elevator works similarly, but has a different design. The steps don't fold together to form a platform, but rather hide in the wall. The elevator can be equipped with automatic glass partitions too. The elevator mechanism activates when the door opens and closes theirs. Also, a third elevator model can be installed instead of a staircase. Then it will simply go up to the front door or go down when necessary. KLAFS Sauna S1. Regular visits to thermal baths and saunas have proven a healing effect. They improve general health, increase immunity, and accelerate healing processes. However, public saunas are not always nice and hygienic. The best option is having your own sauna of home. Previously, only owners of private homes outside the city could afford such a luxury. The KLAFS Sauna S1 is a contract transfoaming device that can be increased or decreased in size at the touch of a button. The sauna can be either a small carrier with a depth of 60 centimeters or a room 160 centimeters deep. The space is more than enough to enjoy a healing treatment. Inside, you can find a sophisticated and elegant sauna heater. The bed and the bench are made of walnuts or a battery and can accommodate 2 people.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.